Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. It's also a good idea to check your owner's manual for the exact bulb type and any specific safety instructions for your model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, we'll access the headlight. Begin by removing the plastic clips and screws that secure the front bumper cover. You'll typically find these along the top and in the wheel wells. Gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender to reveal the headlight mounting bolts. There are usually 3 or 4 bolts holding the entire headlight assembly. Carefully unscrew these to prepare for removal. Now, let's replace the bulb itself. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling. Then, carefully twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, making sure it's seated correctly and securely in the housing. Finally, it's time for reassembly and a quick check. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into place and secure all the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Before fully reattaching the bumper, turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. Then, reattach the bumper cover, securing all clips and screws. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.